Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a fun haul. I have a lot of different items here. It's like beauty, lifestyle, home decor, everything. I'm just gonna start grabbing. I guess I'll start with beauty. So I stopped into MAC. So I was actually mostly just doing a back to MAC. So I picked up 4 because I still have more left over. I have a whole bag of things that are going back. I used to work for MAC, so I have a ton of things from just years of having MAC products. So 2 Myth lip glosses and 2 See-Through, my favorite lip glosses, and I think 2 of my favorite colors of all time. Myth was always one of my favorite lipsticks, and then when they came out with the gloss, I became obsessed because the gloss, which is this one, is a peachy, just gorgeous gloss, and then See-Through is like a very nude white gloss, a lipstick. So you can see how that really like lightened it up. And then I really love the Tom Ford Piano Soul cream cheek color, but it was discontinued because apparently it was limited edition or something. I didn't know that. So when I went to go buy it, they were like, oh yeah, we don't have that anymore. I was like, oh my god. So when I was at MAC, I was like, well, I know that we have cheek products. So this one is called Improper Copper, and this is one of those OGs. It is just like this gorgeous coppery bronzy cream cheek color, and it is gorgeous, and on my skin tone it just gives that perfect like bronzy flush, and I am loving this. If you like cream cheek products, definitely check out the MAC ones. They are really good and moderately priced. And then I went to Sephora and did some damage, and it's crazy how in this little bag you can spend almost $300 like I did. Ridiculous. So let's just go in. So I picked up this Kate Somerville SPF 50 Uncomplicated SPF. It's a soft focus makeup setting spray and a broad spectrum SPF. Now I picked this up because I have never seen a spray SPF, and it is SPF 50, and Kate Somerville I know is known for amazing products, and I definitely wanted to give it a try because I've tried cheaper SPFs to use under my makeup before and I never liked it. It's one of those things that's very hard to find like a really good one that doesn't feel heavy. It had great reviews, so I wanted to try it out. When I tried it out in the store, I loved it, and it also gives your skin a really nice dewiness, and it smells like slightly like suntan oil. Yeah, it has like a suntan oil smell. Okay, next I picked up 2 more of the STILA Glitter and Glows. You guys know I love these. I'm wearing them both right now. So I got the colors Fairy Tale and Sunset Cove. The color is like a really gorgeous, multifaceted, like pewter color. I just love these so much. They're so glittery, so beautiful. But this one has like pink glitters in it. It is just gorgeous. So I put that on. And then on top of it, I put on Sunset Cove, which is a really beautiful light pinky purple iridescent shade. And it has like a lot of different colors in it. So like pink, blue, gold, like it's beautiful. I picked up the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. They had sent me this before and I went through it so fast. I love it so much. I love masks that are meant for clearing acne and have volcanic ash and charcoal and anything that like clears your pores and like sucks up your pimples basically. I love, and I have used this before and I really loved it. It didn't give me any reaction or anything. And then I also picked up this mask. This is the Rose Face Mask by Fresh. You guys know I love the Rose Fresh Rose Toner. So this is the mask, and I freaking love this mask. It is really hydrating. It's expensive, but you get a really big tub of it. It smells like roses, and it has rose petals in it. It's like infused with rose petals, and it is the color of real rose water. Okay, next I went to Nordstrom and I picked up a pair of Adidas. Ooh, I know these are like all the rage right now, but I just love the way they look. So this is what they look like. They are like a light blush mauvey kind of color with white accents and gray accents. They're just like this super neutral, pretty, Instagrammable sneaker, and I freaking love it. And it has a lot of support, and when you're heavier you definitely need back support, you need ankle support, you need arch support, and it has all of that. And I thought they were so pretty, and I definitely been dying to try a different brand because I've been wearing Nike for, you know, like my whole life. I think growing up in New York, that's like the first brand that you ever like really shop. And when I was a kid, it was like the Air Force Ones, like that was always it. But now that Adidas is like coming back, I wanted to try something different, and I bought Antonio a pair of Adidas Ultra Boosts for Christmas, and he loved them. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give in. So I'm loving these, and I cannot wait. I'm gonna wear them after I finish filming this. I'm gonna change into my comfortable clothes and put on my Adidas, and I'm ready to chill. Next, I went to HomeSense because we just got a car. My mom got a new car, so she gave us her other new car. And so now we have a car, and we have been just going everywhere that we can't go in New York. So we've been going to Jersey all the time, and there's a store called HomeSense, and it's basically like a little bit of a fancier version of like Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls. I picked up a few things. So first off, this beautiful candle, and I love it so much because not only is the packaging covered in pineapples, but it smells like pineapples. It smells like a delicious pineapple pina colada, or like a very, very sweet, girly pineapple pina colada smell. And I cannot wait. I'm gonna put this in my office when summer comes as my office scent. I found this tray and I just couldn't walk away. So it is a mirror tray, as you can see, and it is gorgeous. It has gold and these like little prism. It looks glittery, it looks shimmery, the light reflects in it, and you get that like rainbow effect. So it looks like crystal, but it's not. It's gorgeous, and it's really big, and I've been using it for my coffee table as decor, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I picked up this, which I have some of my jewelry in it right now because that's what I'm using it for. So it has like all these different little triangles, kind of looks like a diamond-ish, and then it just opens like this, and it has the chain to hold it. Super, super chic, super pretty with the antique gold. And I also picked up this for my coffee table. So it is just a bouquet of fake flowers inside of a vase, and then in the vase it has like that fake clear liquid that's supposed to look like water. And I really, really loved this bouquet because leaves had this frosted look to them, so it wasn't like super, super green. It has like a soft felt frosted look. I just thought it was so chic. I love the way the flowers are arranged. I just thought it was so beautiful. This was 40 bucks, which is expensive, but fake floral arrangements like these are usually very expensive. I mean, they go up to $100 depending how big they are, because it's something that lasts forever. It's super chic. It comes with the glass vase, and it just looks really beautiful. I mean, you guys will see on the coffee table how chic it looks, and I needed something more grown up because what we had was like a plastic vase with some fake flowers, but they were like individual, and then it was always falling over, and it was like looking messy because the flowers didn't go together. And I was like, okay, I'm a grown-up, I'm gonna invest in some pretty fake flowers, and that I can have forever if I take care of it. So definitely a nice little investment for your coffee table, because, or anywhere in your home, you can just put that anywhere and it adds so much light. So at HomeSense, they have a ton of beauty products. So I picked up a bunch of like lifestyle beauty kind of products. I picked up this Pearlescence coconut water hydrating face mist. I love this brand, and if you shop at Marshalls or TJ Maxx, you have definitely seen this brand in the kind of beauty section. I love their face sprays. I think these are like some of the best facial sprays I've ever tried, and they're always super inexpensive at these stores. They're always like $5, $6, $7, and the big one is usually $6 or $7. It smells so good. It's so hydrating, and these actually have good ingredients in them. So they actually have coconut water, it has glycerin, witch hazel. I also picked up the aloe and rose water tonic water. So this is a skin conditioning tonic water infused with aloe and rose water that revitalizes, soothes, and tones your skin and tone your skin. I love them. And they smell so fresh and so delicious. And from Pearlescence, again, no, this is not sponsored, I bought these, but if they want to sponsor me, hey Pearlescence, turmeric and honey reviving mask. I really like those. Are my favorite kinds. I like the ones that are really thick and hydrating, or really thick and like they just suck everything out of your pores. And this one has a really strong sweet scent, but it's like an herbally strong scent. I picked up this coconut and argan body lotion. This is by Lascano. It's like my name with a T, and it was made in Italy. And anything that's rose or coconut, that's like my two favorite scents. I love coconut during the spring and summer. Oh my god, it smells like suntan oil. Oh my god. I'm so happy I tried this. I don't want to use anything else. And then last but not least, I picked up this linen spray, and this is a French rose. I don't know what the brand is. It really is like a spray bottle with this really beautiful Eiffel Tower rose packaging, and it just says linen spray, and it's literally a spray, and you spray your linen. It's kind of like fancy Febreze, but it smells amazing. It makes everything smell like roses. Speaking of foods, at HomeSense I also picked up these macarons. That's 2 of these packs. These were pretty good for packaged. Last but not least, for food, I picked up these champagne truffles. Really pretty packaging. How could you walk away, right? For $15, but they look really, really fancy. And then we read reviews before we got them, and the reviews said that they were amazing, and guess what? They're amazing. Oh, they are freaking amazing. Now, the truffle is covered in powdered sugar, which is ridiculous. And then the outside is a pink champagne chocolate, like a hard chocolate, and then the inside is a soft creamy chocolate, and it is really rich, really decadent. You can barely eat one by yourself. And I like foods like this because when you have a sweet tooth but you don't want to overindulge, just take one little bite and give the rest to someone else, and you're good. You don't need any more. These are amazing, and you can really taste the pink champagne. So good. And then of course I went to Bath & Body because they were having that $12.95 candle sale, and that's like, they do it like every 2 months now, because I was just watching my YouTube and I was like, didn't they just have this sale the other day? And they did. I picked up the mint essential oil scented candle, and these are really, really cool because they're like chic and all black. I picked up 2 of these because I was like, oh, I'm gonna be obsessed with this. It smells so good. I'm a person who loves mint. Obviously, if you don't like mint, you won't like it, but I live on Vicks. It is like, maybe it's because I'm Latina, but I cannot sleep without Vicks. Everywhere I go, even if it's just one night, I don't forget my Vicks, honey. I don't forget. If I'm on vacation and I don't have Vicks, I gotta go to Walgreens and get me some Vicks, okay? So, I love mint chocolate. I love mint candy. Okay, next I picked up another of the rose water and ivy. You guys know I talked about this in my last Bath & Body haul. Oh, I love it so much. All right, and then I picked up this candle. This was from their Valentine's Day collection, but I mean, it's just a pink candle that says I love you. This is it's honeysuckle, nectar, peony petals, and soft creamy vanilla. The first thing I really smell is like that peony. Okay, and then I picked up this candle, which is the pink pineapple. First of all, isn't this packaging to die? So gorgeous and chic with that super, super, super light frosted glass pink. This is called pink pineapple. But I read reviews for this and they were definitely right. The reviews say that it smells like grapefruit, and it's 100% true. It does not smell like pineapple. And then I got this one because, okay, first of all, the packaging is adorable. Very sweet. It just straight up smells like marshmallow. It literally just says lavender and marshmallow. It does have a lavender scent. And then last but not least, I picked up this one. What a pretty packaging for spring as well. This is Georgia Peach. It really smells absolutely delicious. You know what this smells like? It smells exactly like the Too Faced Peach palette. So while I'm here, I wanted to show you guys this. I don't know if this would be considered part of my haul, but I made it, and it's so, so cute. So I picked up the dome from IKEA, and then the fake flower I just had already, but they also have the fake flowers at IKEA, and you could glue down the dome, but I didn't. So literally I just glued the fake flower to the base with some of the fake petals, and I created my own little Beauty and the Beast inspired themed centerpiece or decor piece, and I have it on my office desk, and I love it so, so much. And you could get this dome at IKEA for 15 bucks, and the flower, I'll leave it down below for you guys to check out. Super, super cute. Don't you want one? I want to make a red one now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I'm sorry I stood up before filming my outro, but I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I will leave everything linked down below, as well as what I'm wearing or similar items. Always check the description. Everything I showed you will be linked down below. Anything I can find that is the most similar, or if I can find the item at a different place, I will try to link everything for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next, and don't forget to stay glam.